If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Hopper, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate through the necessary actions. Step 1. Open the Hopper app. Launch the Hopper app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the process to work effectively. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the app. Look for the option labeled Account or Settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Account Settings menu, locate the section for Security or Two-Factor Authentication. This is where you can manage your authentication settings. Step 4. Select Reset option. Once you are in the Two-Factor Authentication section, look for an option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to initiate the reset process. Step 5. Verify your identity. You may be required to verify your identity through email or SMS. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process and finalize the reset. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Hopper. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Hopper's customer support for further assistance.